Hello, this is Arif here, Lovejoy. I'm in this beautiful little paradise in Bali, and check out the beautiful rice fields and banana leaves everywhere. This is more like the Ubud region of Bali, Indonesia, and things are really cheaper here. It's like if you're in America or Canada or Europe, it's literally one third of the price, and it's amazing. I'm very thankful that I'm able to travel here. And the reason I'm making this video today is also to inspire you that about how to make money online. I've been taking a course recently, and they're teaching me so much about how to make money from online, like doing a lot of ads and videos and stuff, and how to rank your videos higher. These are really powerful ninja tricks that I believe everybody needs to learn. And in a result, you are literally making money from online. So it's amazing that you can live wherever you want and travel around the world. Like, it's all the dreams are possible, all the dreams can come true. So yeah, please click the link below and check out their course. It's amazing. It's all like perfect. Like, it's money back guarantee. If it doesn't work, you get money back, and they'll always give you a lot of free stuff, so you literally don't even have to buy anything if you don't want to. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. This is Arif here, Lovejoy from Bali, Indonesia. Have a good one. Bye.